Okay, so you've had two listens now, and maybe more if you could go back and play the video if you needed it. Okay, that's the advantage with the video lessons. Let's have a look. Okay, I mean, it was quite a lot to answer here. The first thing, what three things did Mariana do before becoming a chef in London? Well, she studied psychology at Kent University. She traveled around Southern Europe and South America, and she went back to Crete and worked in the family restaurant. Okay. What was her first connection with the restaurant Moro, and why did she go back later? When she was a student, she used to save money and go to eat there, and she went back later because she wanted to work there. Okay. What happened 7 years later? 7 years later, she became head chef. How is her restaurant Morito different from Moro? It has more Cretan dishes on the menu. Remember, she's from Crete. And finally, how often does she go back to Crete, and what happens when she has lunch with her old friends there? She goes back 4 or 5 times a year, and they share. Share is when you give something to another person. It's what you do with mate. You share your mate very often with other people, and they share all the food and always order too much food. Okay, they always order too much. Well, okay. So there's a speaking part here, which we will look at hopefully when we do the speakings together, and that's this part. And later, I think in our class next week, if we can do it all together, we'll try and do this grammar part. Okay, not everybody's favorite, the grammar, but we need to do it sometimes. What I'll do now, just with the next video, if you want, I'll play one more time with the text so that you can listen and read at the same time. If you don't want to do it, then there's no need to watch the next video. Okay, and that will be the last one for this lesson. So just one more video just with the text. Okay. Well, I'm finishing this now, and I hope to be seeing most of you with our first attempt to do a Zoom class later. Okay.